Tom Gailey here, author of Making the China Connection. Do you need some guidance? Do you need an inside expert on how to get your product going? Here's a couple of tips for you on how to succeed. Tip number one, you're going to need a serious factory evaluation. You're going to have to find out if the factory or the people that you're working with have the experience. There's lots of ways that we can go through and find out from other sources. Do they have the experience in working with your market? A lot of times you have factories that have worked in the domestic market and they look like they know what they're doing, but they've only been working in the domestic market. When it comes to international trade, they stumble, and that can hurt you. So tip number one is a very, very intense, serious factory evaluation, and we can help with that. Tip number two is to hire somebody on the ground. Now, I do this all the time. I help people get set up on the ground. Imagine the cost savings of not having to send somebody from your home country all the way out to China. They may not even know how to get around. So that's the second tip, is how to get somebody working with you on the ground out there. Now, these people are folks that I have done business with and know and trust a lot. I really trust these people. So I can help you set up somebody that works for you at a fraction of the cost on the ground in the factory that you're working with, and they can communicate directly to you. These folks know who pays them. They know who they're loyal to. It's not Uncle Chen's cousin going around doing inspections, but it's somebody that's on the ground that you hire that's going to China. So that's what you want. Tip number two is to get somebody on the ground. Tip number three, you go to China. Now, it's simple. It's not that hard. People are going to China all the time. It's easier and easier all the time to get around, and this is what I do. Imagine how easy communications will be afterwards. How much do you understand about the production process? To see it firsthand is so valuable. It is worth it. And we'll make it effective and cost effective for you and train you all the way through. But and I've done this a lot. Look for some case studies. But tip number three is for you to get out there in China and see what's going on. Tip number four is to streamline communications. Every word said needs to be understood 100%. Have you ever thought about how much of a percent that I'm saying is being comprehended? We have a way to look at that, and sometimes people are surprised. Maybe 60 or 70% of what you're saying is actually being comprehended by your counterpart, and there's a lot of variance in between. If they understand 95%, is that good? Well, it could be better. So I go through a process with you to see exactly how your communication is being managed and what is the level of comprehension that's being done there. So those are my four tips, is to make sure you evaluate the factory very carefully, make sure you hire somebody on the ground, make sure you get out there or plan to get out there at some time in the future too, and make sure that you've got your communications completely streamlined throughout the process. So I'd love to hear from you. I'd like to hear from all clients. Anything, give me your ideas. There's a space down there to put in some comments and give me some thoughts and ideas, and I'll get back with you. I'll get back with you on some thoughts moving forward. Thanks very much.